Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at the drone mesh SplitSane frame. Now it's finally here, and it took a while for me to make the video because I was waiting on a special carbon fiber, and it's the same exact carbon fiber that Transtech uses for its Transtech Frog. Now that's the one I wanted, and that's what I waited for. So I finally received them, been cutting them out, and everything is totally perfect now, and I'm just very satisfied with every single piece of it. So let's quickly talk about some of the specs. Now this is a 130mm wheelbase quadcopter. It is a split level, as you can tell here. It takes 11XX motors, which means 1103, 1104, 1105, these kinds of things, 1106 motors. And it has 20mm of space inside. It does come with the 20mm standoffs here. They're all red right now. And you get your camera plates, and every plate on carbon fiber plate on this, it's only 4 carbon fiber plates. It's 2mm thick, and I did that on purpose. I could have done with 3, 4, but I didn't want. What I wanted to do is mimic the super lightness and agility of the turret, and at the same time add efficiency with newer components. And this is how I achieved it. I said I'm going to split the frame, and we're going to use tiny motors. We're going to keep it as light as possible, and do iterations until it feels very nice. And there we go, and we have, this is the final iteration. This is which is that one right there, as you see here. And this thing just flies insanely beautiful, like not just beautiful, it's quick, it's agile, it's fast, it's efficient. 5 minutes plus of flight time cruising, which is what I was getting, because the other day I lost my motor testing quad, and I actually used this, and I got 5 minutes and 30-40 seconds of me looking for my quad, and which is pretty insane. By the way, this fully built here is only 89 grams, and it's using, I've only used 2.5 inch props. I haven't even tried the 3 inch props, so I don't even know how that'll perform, because these are the Emax 6000 kV 1106 motors with the HDLRC stack. I conformal coated it. I went through 2 ESCs here. One landed in water, I ruined it. The other one I ripped off the pad here, and this is the third one, and I conformal coated it. Make sure I'm taking care of this one, because this is by far the best micro I've ever flown till this day. It used to be the SPC, but right now it's this one. And we're gonna be building this frame on the channel. I got new components from HDLRC. I got motors, 6000 kV, I believe. Also, we're going to be testing those out, and I also got some what is it, Hakcrc, I think, a mini stack. We're going to test that out, and we'll probably stick a Cadex on this guy here. So it'll be pretty cool, pretty interesting. I only have a couple left. This is a way to support the channel. You don't only support the channel, you get something that's unique, and it's only limited. I'm not going to be making a lot. Maximum of 2 batches. So right now we're still on the first batch. If you guys want, I'll make another batch, because I still have some carbon fiber left, but I was using it for prototyping for other projects. But if you guys really want, I can make a bit more. I only have, like, I don't know, 13 left. So, and yeah, it's just a way to support the channel, and you just get something very nice in return, and that it's not really garbage. I can guarantee you it's not garbage, and you're just gonna have an amazing time with it. And if you're afraid that if you might break something and you're not gonna be able to find a part, it's just easy. Just write me, I'll cut you out a new one, I'll just send it to you, so you don't have to worry in that perspective. And yeah, it comes with the, let's just show you what it comes with. The 2 plates, which is upper and bottom plate, which they would stack over like this, and then you put the camera plates in like that, as you can tell right there. So that's the way it is. And here's the camera plates, and I purposely left room in the front here, if you take a look, just so if you wanted to use the RunCam Micro bundle, which the VTX is actually connected to the camera in the back. This is the reason why I did this, because I know some people would want to do that, and it'll reduce a lot of space, and just more, actually even reduce weight too, because you don't have to put 4 more nylon standoffs. So in theory, it would be a little bit better, and it is actually better. This whole thing is 89 grams, fully built with props and everything on, so it's pretty crazy here. Overall, it's a very nice flying quad. I guarantee you're gonna love it, and yeah, it's just another way to support the channel. I'm working on another couple designs, but those, I need some time to do those, so this is a very nice way to support the channel and get something nice in return. And yeah, and that's really it, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And go ahead and check it out. I'll leave a link to it down below. I've updated the pictures. I'll have this video there. And we're going to have a build video on it very soon. And it's going to be our micro testing quad for the channel. I'll do a couple setups. This will be the main setup to see if we can beat it with some kind of different motors. We'll do 2 identical builds, where one we just changed motors, and then we'll do some one where we do ESCs and stuff. I think it'll be pretty fun, pretty interesting. And well, that's it, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and please consider joining my Patreon. It really support the channel. And go ahead and check out my website and the application. I do awesome things there, and Patreons are going to get special access to a lot of awesome things. I have a little post on Patreon. You can go and check it out there if you're curious about that. It's just like a hidden secret place for the website where you can get access to stuff that's even better than what's already on there. Alright guys, and I think that's going to conclude it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. See you guys. Take care.